Garmin is reportedly ready to release its new Forerunner 975, and fitness enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting what this upgraded model has to offer. Recent leaks hint at improved performance tracking, enhanced durability, and exciting new features that could make the Forerunner 975 a must-have. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far about the rumored specs, features, and the release date of the Garmin Forerunner 975. Let's begin. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to follow the sleek and lightweight design language of its predecessor, the Forerunner 965. The Forerunner 965 features a polymer case with a titanium bezel, providing both durability and elegance. The new model is rumored to enhance the build quality even further, possibly featuring a more rugged construction to appeal to outdoor athletes. Additionally, Garmin might offer multiple size options to cater to users with different wrist sizes, although concrete details on the exact dimensions are still unknown. Weight is likely to be a critical factor, with the Forerunner 975 potentially aiming to be even lighter than the Forerunner 965's 53 grams. The Forerunner 965 was heavily appreciated for its comfort during extended wear, and Garmin will likely retain or improve upon that characteristic. It is also expected that the new model will feature interchangeable bands for personalization and convenience. The Forerunner 965 made headlines for its 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, providing crystal clear visuals that were easy to read even under bright sunlight. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is rumored to follow a similar route, but with potential improvements in brightness and power efficiency. Some sources indicate that Garmin might include a more power-efficient AMOLED panel to enhance battery life without sacrificing visibility. Moreover, the display size is expected to be similar to the Forerunner 965, though there is a possibility of slightly larger screen real estate with thinner bezels. Garmin might also introduce new watch faces and better customization options for user convenience. Rumors surrounding the Garmin Forerunner 975 indicate that the device could feature upgraded internal hardware aimed at enhancing processing power and overall performance. The Forerunner 965 was equipped with enough storage and memory for storing maps, music, and workout data. The Forerunner 975 could offer even more onboard storage, possibly expanding beyond the 32 gigabytes of the previous model. Processing speed improvements are also expected, with Garmin possibly opting for a more efficient processor to ensure smoother operation. The inclusion of upgraded sensors for more accurate tracking of various metrics is another possibility. Garmin may also enhance the device's water resistance rating to improve usability during swimming and other water-based activities. Garmin has always prioritized health and fitness tracking, and the Forerunner 975 is expected to build upon the already impressive array of features found in the Forerunner 965. The Forerunner 965 offered advanced metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, training load, and more. Its integration of Garmin's training readiness score and acute load monitoring made it a powerful tool for athletes. For the Forerunner 975, leaks mention that new features may include ECG support with a new Elevate V5 heart rate sensor, which would be a major addition for users interested in monitoring their heart health more accurately. The device is expected to continue providing advanced sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, and body battery energy monitoring. Other potential enhancements could include improved multi-sport tracking, more detailed activity metrics, and possibly the addition of skin temperature measurement. Garmin may also optimize the watch's algorithm to provide more precise insights into performance and recovery. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Garmin Forerunner 975 is the possibility of LTE connectivity. This would allow users to access features such as live tracking, messaging, and emergency assistance without relying on a paired smartphone. Like its predecessor, the Forerunner 975 is expected to offer standard connectivity options, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ANT+. Enhanced Bluetooth performance could provide better synchronization with smartphones and other compatible devices. The inclusion of more robust GPS tracking capabilities is also a possibility, with potential support for multi-band global positioning system technology for improved accuracy in challenging environments. Battery life is always a major consideration for high-performance fitness watches, and the Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to improve upon the already impressive battery life of the Forerunner 965. The Forerunner 965 delivers up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours in GPS mode. If the rumored solar charging feature becomes a reality, it could significantly extend battery life, making the Forerunner 975 more suitable for extended outdoor adventures. The use of a more power-efficient AMOLED display could contribute to enhanced battery performance. The Forerunner 975 is expected to provide a noticeable performance boost over the Forerunner 965. Improved processing power, enhanced GPS accuracy, and new health metrics are all anticipated. Garmin's software improvements are likely to include better training insights, refined sleep tracking algorithms, and more detailed analytics for professional athletes. Furthermore, the rumored inclusion of ECG monitoring and LTE connectivity would position the Forerunner 975 as one of the most advanced running watches on the market. These features would appeal to athletes looking for a comprehensive training companion that provides both real-time insights and post-workout analytics. According to various leaks and certifications, the Garmin Forerunner 975 could be officially announced in the coming months. Some reports claim that the release date might be sooner rather than later, with Garmin reportedly preparing for a launch event. The price of the Forerunner 975 is still a mystery, but it is likely to be in the same ballpark as the Forerunner 965, which launched at approximately $600. Given the expected upgrades, a slightly higher price point is possible. For those who are currently using the Forerunner 965, the decision to upgrade to the Forerunner 975 will depend on the rumored features. If Garmin does indeed include ECG monitoring, LTE connectivity, and improved battery life, then the Forerunner 975 would be a significant upgrade. The possibility of solar charging is another factor that could attract outdoor enthusiasts who value extended battery life. However, considering the lack of official confirmation from Garmin, it might be wise to wait for official announcements before making any purchasing decisions. If the rumors hold true, the Garmin Forerunner 975 could very well become one of the most powerful fitness watches available. That's all for today about the Garmin Forerunner 975. Are you planning to buy it upon release? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.